Friendship Day is around the corner again. It's time to celebrate the friendship bond you share with your besties. Surely, a friend who's been a friend indeed in times of need is worthy to be celebrated. Thus, the DIYs in today's video would help you make the best choice of gifts for those special friend of yours. When we talk about gifts, handmade gifts are always very special and remains close to one's heart. Even if you are making a simple friendship band, it will be something having all your emotions and feelings attached to it. Our first DIY is making friendship bands using popsicle sticks. Firstly, bring a pot of water to boil and dip the sticks in it. I would suggest you to boil more sticks than you need, as there are chances that the sticks might split or crack when you boil them. Let it boil for 10 minutes and soak them up for 30 minutes. Once the soaking time is done, take a stick and move it constantly backward and forward. If you find that the sticks are still stiff and not bending easily, then bring it to boil once again. Now take a jar, place the sticks inside, leaving it to dry for a day. As you can see, these sticks are fully dried and curled up exactly the way I wanted. You can decorate it using acrylic colors or decoupage fabric or tissues, etc. These bands just look amazing, isn't it? You could actually pair it with your matching outfits too. We all have a friend who always helps us in our studies, does all our homework, and loves to stick around books and library. What would you gift him or her on a friendship day, other than the books? It's a bit difficult to think, right? Well, my next DIY will help you reduce that stress. Aren't these tiny coffee mug bookmarks looking adorable? I guarantee you that your bookworm bestie will definitely love these. If you have no idea what to gift your bestie who is a crazy cat lover and you have already gifted a cat before, then this DIY will be helpful for you what to gift her next. I assure you that no cat lover will be able to resist this perfect Friendship Day gift anytime. I'm loving the way these jewelry holders are looking. I assure you that your bestie will cherish these cat-shaped trinket holders forever. These Friendship Day gifts are always going to remain one of a kind of gift for your dear friend. I hope you like these easy DIY gifts. If in case you give a try on these, do share the picture by tagging me on my Instagram handle. Guys, please give a thumbs up and hit on the subscribe button below. Would be glad if you share your views and thoughts too in the comment section. Wish you a very happy Friendship Day. Stay safe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.